Owning your own business is never easy. It's full of daily challenges, especially in the competitive marketplace we live in today. Owning a successful repair shop? That takes grit. It takes moxie. It takes fortitude to be a top shop. But you don't have to go it alone. Designed by shop owners, for shop owners. The Auto Value Bumper to Bumper Confidence Plus Certified Service Center program is committed to helping independent shop owners sustain, market, and grow their business. The Certified Service Center offers the right tools that shops need to succeed in the market. This carefully selected lineup of marketing, commerce, and shop tools will give your business the edge it deserves. Marketing and branding support, a nationwide customer warranty program so your customers can travel with confidence. Safe route roadside assistance to ensure a customer never finds themselves stranded without assistance and includes lockout, flat tire, battery, fluid, and towing services. Business enhancement tool like search engine optimization, locator services, and reputation management controls. From credit card and financing programs to website creation and business insurance, the Certified Service Center program has the fortitude a top shop needs. Do you? The CSC program and its elements are exclusive to the Aftermarket Auto Parts Alliance, Auto Value, Bumper to Bumper, and Confidence Plus locations.